this is Yusra. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today finally Azhar and I are planning to go finally to Liverpool markets, जो कि हम आपको पिछले वीक भी दिखाना चाह रहे थे. It did not happen. उससे पिछले वीक भी दिखाना चाह रहे थे. It did not happen. So I'm still not certain if we are going to Liverpool or not. I'm just going to believe it when I see it, because the area that we're around does look a little bit like Liverpool. लेकिन जब तक हम 4 मिनट दूर हैं और जब तक हम पहुंचेंगे नहीं ना, मुझे यकीन नहीं आएगा. एक दो जगह और पे लिवरपूल लिखा हुआ था, बट यू नेवर नो, यू नो. लाइक लास्ट टाइम हम लिवरपूल जा रहे थे और हम ऑल ऑफ अ सडन लिकम्बा पहुंच गए थे. बट एनीवे, Liverpool markets are same as like Lakemba markets. यहाँ पे ये night Ramadan markets हैं, where we can find a lot of food and we can also find desserts and stuff like that. Already मेरी मामी की तरफ से request आई that if we are going to Liverpool then we should be getting her kunafa. I'm not a big fan of kunafa though. I don't know. It's I just find it too sweet. मुझे घर का बना हुआ कुनाफा अच्छा लगता है. And you know, the lady I used to live with, Teta, she sometimes makes it. I really like it when she makes it. कभी मैं बनाऊंगी, मैंने उनको कहा था मुझे सिखाएं. But apart from that, we will be trying out some food. I don't have a lot of hopes that something is going to be very different or very yummy. Like very yummy हो सकता है, but कोई next level different चीज़ होगी. I don't have a lot of hopes for that. I'm not too sure. कुछ कहना है आपको?
What are you saying? You have no hopes?
I don't have a lot of hopes that the food is going to be like massively yummy. It like maybe a little bit yummy.
I think it's going to be different than Likamba, because Likamba is mostly desi food, and here it's going to be mostly Turkish plus Mediterranean.
No,
sort of
so
food.
to be fair, Likamba used to be desi. I know there's going to be like some Fijian food here, but Fijian foods, I'm sorry, like I don't have a lot of Fijian audience, but like Islander food is not that great. Like I haven't come across any good Islander food in Sydney or Melbourne or anywhere in Australia, to be fair. लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा ब्लैंड होता है. तो Fijian food होगा, लेकिन उसके अलावा टर्किश वगैरह तो वहाँ पे भी था. कुनाफा था वहाँ पे, मुतब्बक था वहाँ पे.
लेकिन Arabic food और थोड़ा सा Mediterranean food मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे ज़्यादा होगा.
Yeah, I can already see like a Fijian guy was behind us and similar Fijian guys in front of us. So Fijian खाना तो definitely होगा. उसके अलावा let's see कि क्या होता है. So first things, we are going to take a round because there's still a lot of time till iftar. और मैं hungry हो जाती हूँ, तो it's best that I keep myself occupied. So we're going to take a round first, see what we have, and then we are going to try foods. मैंने ना full high tech चीज़ें खरीदी हुई थी. I got a mic with me and I got a light as well with me. लेकिन light हम लेकर नहीं आए, और mic मेरे पास है, but I don't know if I have the connector for it. So let's see, maybe वो video quality better हो जाएगी with the mic. Let's see if we can shoot it with the mic. Azhar is like managing the parking, and Azhar has the worst luck when it comes to parking because he always gets fined and he still decides to park illegally.
I haven't parked illegally. I parked the right stop. It's just that illegal parking is going to start at 7 o'clock. So we still have 45 minutes left.
So why did you park 45 minutes before?
Because it's easier or closer. If I'm going to park anywhere far, that means you'll have to walk far. See, I'm so considerate.
Okay, so we're going to now go in. It's called the Most Blessed Nights. पता नहीं लास्ट टाइम इन्होंने क्या अज़हर ने सर्च किया था कि वो यहाँ नहीं पहुँच सके थे. एंड हम एक राउंड करेंगे और देखेंगे कि क्या चीज़ें हैं, और फिर उसके हिसाब से डिसाइड करेंगे कि क्या लेना है. So as you can see, the setup was actually very similar to Lakemba night markets, and I'm just showing you guys around at what all things we have. So first things first, there were these mochi donuts, and mochi is actually a little bit chewy, and there were all these flavors that you could choose from. So I was definitely thinking I would pick something up from here. Then we had shawarma, we had Spanish churros. That's lots of dessert options over here, honestly. Then we had Hannah street food, which actually had sort of like nuggets and tornado potato slushies and all. Then we had another slushie stand because normally when people are eating a lot of food, they do feel very thirsty as well. Then we had this Pakistani barbecue shop. We had this cafe that's serving like Turkish coffee, Turkish desserts, soft drinks, water, and you know the ice cream truck that we used to see in cartoons and movies. We had that kind of an ice cream truck. I really get fascinated to the point still in ice cream trucks ko dekhkar. Apart from that, यहाँ पे tacos थे in a very colorful stand. Then we had skewers. बेचारे इन लोगों के बाद में skewers कोई sell नहीं हो रहे थे. We had these sugar-free drinks. हमने ये try की थी hubba bubba flavor, but I didn't like it at all. We had the lobster rolls that we also, if you remember, had it in Lakemba. So this time मैंने सोचा था lobster roll नहीं, लेकिन इनके tiger prawn rolls try करेंगे. Then we had Fijian food. I knew there was going to be a Fijian place here, like islander food here, because Fijian people really do live in Liverpool. We had a cheesy pasta, which is, you know, pasta spun on a cheese wheel. और जितनी भी चीज़ वो कलेक्ट कर लेता है वो फिर पास्ता पे जो लग जाती है, दैट्स यू नो कोरेड. वी हैड जलाटो. मैंने ये जलाटो नहीं खाई, मेरा प्लान था वैसे खाने का. So we just took a stroll around and we sort of got a good understanding of what sort of food this market has to offer. There's tacos, there's lobster roll, there's churros, there's crepes, there's kebab, there is Fijian food. There is a lot of like dessert options. There definitely, like Azhar said, there's a lot of like Arabic food जो कि हम try कर सकते हैं. देसी थोड़ा कम है लेकिन देसी options भी हैं अच्छे खासे. आपको देसी options हर जगह पे मिल जाते हैं. The good thing is everything in Ramadan markets is halal, and generally in Sydney you get very many halal options anyway. Like we've never struggled with halal food here under any circumstances anyway. So that's good. I hope मेरी आवाज़ clear आ रही हो क्योंकि मेरे पास mic नहीं है और बहुत सारे लोग आसपास बात करें. If it's not clear, then I'll just move to voiceover later on. Then we decided to go in the mall and we saw a lot of, you know, house kitchen stuff. And wherever there is kitchen stuff, my husband always gets really fascinated and he wants to buy everything and then put everything in place. और फिर मुझे भी फिर, you know, he says ख़राब नहीं करना है इसको, ध्यान से इस्तेमाल करना है इसको, मेहमानों के लिए रखना types. I for one, I can cook and all now, but I'm not interested in cooking and kitchen stuff at all. And he is so interested in all of this. खाना नहीं बनाते but kitchen की चीज़ें लाने में पता नहीं क्या interest है. Let me know if like anybody's husband, spouse, partner is the same. I don't think it's healthy for men to be obsessed with the kitchen like this, but anyway, pretty soon जो है वो इफ्तार हो गई थी and I was really hungry at this point, and we first started with Cajun spiced Mexican corn cup. Now ये इतना tiny है और पीछे अगर आप serving size देखें तो इतना बड़ा दिखाया हुआ है. हमें $5 का इतना छोटा सा मिला था and we were expecting a bigger serving size, but to be fair, it was quite khatta for my liking. I don't really like it that much. It was like a 7 on 10 for me, not too great. फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने ये चीज़ी पास्ता लिया और जब हमने लिया तो हमने रियलाइज़ किया ये जो चीज़ का व्हील जो इन्होंने बनाया हुआ है ना, ये एक्चुअली फ़ेक व्हील है. इट्स नॉट रियली रियल, क्योंकि रियल वाला जो है ना उसमें थिक होता है, उसमें चीज़ नज़र आ रही होती है. और जो इस आदमी के पीछे जो पे आंटी थी, शी वॉज एक्चुअली द वन who was making the cheesy sauce, and then she was just dumping the noodles in here, the pasta in here, not the noodles, the pasta in here. See, she's just dumping the pasta in here, and then you know, you could have it. So we just put a lot of chili flakes on ours, but it was pretty bland, to be honest. This was a 6 on 10 or a 7 on 10 from me, and I think Azhar also found it very bland. So this is like girl dinner, right? Like when, you know, you're alone at home, you're too lazy to do anything, so you just decide to make girl dinner. That's what you would make, would be like pasta with cheese and with chili flakes. But I think Aussies would really like it because their food generally is bland, and so they would really enjoy it. Next we went for tornado potatoes. This is just like the spiral potatoes. I think you do get it in Pakistan now as well, and Azhar got this with paprika flavoring. This was an 8 on 10. You can't really go wrong with this. Last time हम Lakemba markets गए थे, so it like they did go wrong with this. They made it extra crispy, but this was just right. Then we went to East Blue Seafood here, and they are the same ones that did have the stall in what you call Lakamba as well, the previous night markets that we've shown you. And this time we decided to go for black tiger prawn bao. Okay, so honestly we were expecting कि इसके अंदर tiger prawns होंगे, लेकिन इसके अंदर tiger prawns नहीं, regular prawns थे. And while that was getting prepared, I was really tempted to get these tacos, but मैं 3 नहीं खा सकती थी, so I was like, okay, I just want 1 taco. And this was also really good. Like, we'll show you our reactions and I'll give you my verdict on it. But as you can see, जैसे जैसे sun was falling down, लोग यहाँ पे आ गए हैं, रश बढ़ गया है. You will find a mixture of people. You will find a lot of Aussies, but you will also find a lot of Lebanese, Fijian, Islander people, a lot of Arabs here as well, Arabic background, and then of course Pakistanis and Muslims in Liverpool. So this was interesting. And then, you know, I was just showcasing how they're making the prawn. They're just putting like this masala on top, which was so yummy. मतलब मिर्चें नहीं थी, but it was well marinated and it was really good. And then they had set up a station, and like any station, they were also serving it on a bed of chips. Now, chips is a funny thing in Australia because French fries are called hot chips, and there's no such concept of fries. And then Lay's wale chips are called chips. So this is what our tortilla tacos looked like. ये जो आप सॉस देख रहे हैं ना, ये बिल्कुल आलू गोश्त की तरह था, आलू गोश्त के सालन की तरह. But the tortilla was so nice. And then this is the bao that we had. It had caviar on it, but there was a lot of like rocket leaves on it, which I did not like. But overall the taste was good. Both things were 8 on 10. Very decent. उसके बाद मुझे प्यास लग रही थी, और ये आप चमकीले किस्म के खिलौने जो देख सकते हैं वो यहाँ पे भी मिलते हैं बच्चों के लिए. And I took fresh coconut water. This was a 10 on 10. Fresh coconut water straight out of the coconut. It's my most favorite thing. I love it. Nothing can beat it. And then last but not the least, I ended up with a strawberry mochi donut. It is more chewy than regular donuts. अगर जैसे regular donut इतना chewy नहीं होता है, इसका texture काफ़ी chewy होता है और light और fluffy होता है. But I really enjoyed it. This is a 8 on 10 as well. उसके बाद हम लोग यहाँ पे कनाफी जेरूसलम पे street food पे खड़े हो गए थे, where you know like these people were just like playing music and being very interesting. लेकिन अज़र जो है वो ये कहते देखो ज़रा बिल्कुल मुस्लिम वाला गेटअप किया हुआ है, और ऐसा लग रहा है कि they're actually Muslims, or you know but they're not. But they really had a way of attracting the crowd, you know, through the songs and all. But that's about it. That was Liverpool markets. It was okay, it wasn't great. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.